And I have three criteria here available to me to do the pipe sizing. And just for the example, I am doing a preliminary calculation for this recirculation circuit, and I will consider that I need, or it's a good criteria, 2.5 meters per second of water recirculation. And if you go to API 14E, there is some reference related to the sizing criteria of pipelines for liquid, for condensate, for steam, but usually every company has its own guidelines based on the criteria for pipe sizing. So if you work in Shell, if you work in Linde, if you work in ExxonMobil, for instance, they have their own guidelines and best practice, and usually what we will do is get the guideline and evaluate which is the criteria that must be followed.